Now let's select this chart like this and go to format and no fill, no background fill and no outline. So this chart is more of a transparent, as you can see here. You can see everything behind the chart. Now let's prepare our second chart, which is part of our main visualization. To do that, we need to go to data here, the data we had prepared, and select data till mean GP percentage like this. Go to insert again, clustered column chart in the 2D chart category. Let's put it here for now. And here go to select data and let's switch the column like this. And here we don't need sales, or better just remove it. Cost of sales. Also we don't need GP, we need GP percentage, max GP, min GP percentage. Click OK. Now here you see we have this separate columns for max GP and min GP. So select any of them and format data series and put the series overlap to 100% like this. In the format data series, you need to change the series overlap to 100% like this, right? And that will make this particular 2 chart hover above the normal GP chart, GP percentage chart, right? So here you can change the color you want now. In our completed dashboard, these colors were green and light red. So let's do that. So here I'm going to select and ensure that go to format and you have max GP percentage selection. So go to solid fill and you're going to select this light green like this. Go back to the format pane and select this particular mean GP percentage series, and here we want something light tan color like this. So it shows the lowest performance, lowest mean GP percentage, and this is max GP percentage. So lowest GP, highest GP. And for the rest GPs, like usually they are not lowest or highest, it will be blue color like this. You can always change this as well. So go back here, solid fill, let's select blue. Now let's remove this background like this and go to format and no shape fill, no shape outline. And here as well, we don't need the axis. And here we don't need this legends. Chart title also we don't need. So this is more of a supplementary chart or supporting chart to the main chart. And here we can bring it down here like this, but we need data labels. So select this series, add data labels. And we need to bring this chart up like this and label them like this. Actually the thickness is not same, so let's make the thickness of this chart according to this GP chart in this particular chart. So the GP thickness for this dark gray bar, it should be ideally same for this all bars. So let's do that. Now it looks okay, and you can use the keyboard. So select this entire object and use the keyboard like this. And now let's stretch to the right, and you can see here we are almost there. You need not to have 100% alignment, but it should just show that they belong to this particular series. So now you can use the keystroke and down arrow key and align it like this. Also you can reduce the size and keep using the keyboard up and down arrow keys. So here you can see that this is the sales and GP in absolute terms, and this is the gross profit. And also you can see here highest gross profit and the lowest gross profit for among all the products throughout the year. Now let's select this entire chart like this and apply our font Lato. Make it bold like this, and the color should be black like this. So our second chart is ready, but here we need to put axis title. So select axis title and on the side GP percentage like this.